Hi friends, welcome back to Rachel Chedema Crochet. Today we are going to learn how to make crochet sandals on Nora sew. Yeah, I'll be using Nora sew. That's it. So this one is the upper part. That's it. I've already created the holes where I will fix my um crochet this twine. Then this one is the down. So this one is Nora also. Then this one are the stack heels. This one is Marco. So this one is Marco too. So this one is Nora. Yeah, let's continue. Yeah, I've already made my belt. For the short belt, I started with 8 chains, then make 20 rows. So we are going to fix it here, like this. Like this. So you fix. Yeah, you can see it. Then for the middle belt, I started with the same 8 chains, then make 40 rows. Then the last belt, I started with the same 8 chains and make 50 rows. You can see it. Then after that, you turn the back and adjust. So before adjusting, try and fix your lace. Try and fix your lace. So this is what is called lace. This thing, exactly this thing. This thing that looks like leg. So while choosing your lace, you try to choose the size of lace that can fit in on the same size of the sandals you're working with. Like this one is size 40. So before I adjust, I fix in lace 40. As in, you make use of lace size 40 to adjust. Yeah, this is my adhesive. You can see it. So it's time to add my adhesive. So I will first gum the sew together, the Marco and the Nora together, separate. This one is the down part, the other is the sew. Then I will then gum this thing, stack heels together. Then after fixing two of them together, then I will then apply gum here. Sorry. So I will then apply gum here. You can see the mark. So where the stack heel will end here. So I apply gum, then apply here and fix them together. Yeah, I've already applied my adhesive. You can see it. So you wait for 15 to 20 minutes before you gum together. Yeah, you can see it. After 20 minutes, you touch and make sure it's not drawing. Then you fix together with the sew. So I fix it here. Sorry, I'm trying to get it on my camera. Yeah, you can see the second mark. So just join together carefully. Yeah, so here I'm going to hammer it round the sew. Yeah, I've already done that. I also hammered the stack heel. Yeah, so here I'm going to use my sandpaper and give the surface, give it a rough surface on it. You can see it. Just scrape. You can see it. So do the same thing on the stack heel. Yeah, that's it. I filed this part before gumming here now. So now I'm going to add my adhesive. Also add on your stack heel. Yeah, you can see it. So now you wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Then after that you gum. I've already done that. That's it. Yeah, let's do the final gumming. So I've already applied my gun and waited for 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. So let's stick. Yeah, you can see it. So now I will gum together. I will gum it together with this one. Yeah. So you stick two of them together. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, the next thing now is to hammer it. So you have to hammer it for it to stick together with this, the sew. Then after that, then I will go to filing machine to file it round. Then I'll add my back belt. Yeah, this is the final stage. You can see it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share to your friends. See you on the next video. Bye.